Hello, wonderful people. Welcome again to my channel. And here's another travel short vlog on one of the iconic tourist spot in Barcelona. Let's walk and enjoy the beauty of Arc de Triomf. Today, let's embark on a brief yet fascinating journey through one of Barcelona's iconic landmarks, the Arc de Triomf. The Arc de Triomf, standing majestically at the northern end of the Passeig de Lluís Companys, is not just an architectural marvel, but a testament to the rich cultural and historical heritage of Barcelona. Unlike its namesake in Paris, which celebrates military victories, Barcelona's Arc de Triomf was built as the main entrance to the 1888 Barcelona Universal Exposition, an event that showcased Barcelona to the world and marked its emergence as a modern cosmopolitan city. Designed by the Catalan architect Josep Vilaseca, de Casanovas, the Arc de Triomf was completed in 1888. It stands 30 meters high and is constructed in the distinctive Neo-Mudéjar style, a revival of Moorish architecture that is prevalent in the Iberian Peninsula. The arc is made of red brick, which gives it a warm and inviting appearance, unlike the cold stone of many other triumphal arches. The front frieze of the Arc de Triomf is particularly noteworthy. Entitled Barcelona Welcoming the Nations, it symbolizes the city's openness and hospitality. This was particularly significant during the time of the Universal Exposition, as it projected an image of a forward-thinking and inclusive city. The arc is also adorned with numerous sculptural elements. At the top, you'll find a series of coats of arms from various Spanish provinces, symbolizing unity within the country. Below, there are sculptures representing agriculture, industry, and commerce, reflecting the main themes of the exposition and the city's aspirations. Over the years, the Arc de Triomf has become more than just an architectural landmark. It is a cultural symbol and a gathering place for both locals and tourists. In the wide pedestrian boulevard leading to the Arc, lined with palm trees, is a popular spot for leisure and community events. In modern times, the Arc de Triomf has also become a backdrop for various cultural events, marathons, and public celebrations. Its strategic location near the Ciutadella Park and the historic Born District makes it a central and vibrant part of the city. In conclusion, the Arc de Triomf is not merely a triumphal arch, but a beacon of Barcelona's spirit, a blend of historical richness, architectural beauty, and cultural vibrancy. Next time you find yourself in Barcelona, take a moment to walk under this magnificent arch and let it transport you back to a time when the city was proudly stepping onto the world stage. Thank you for joining me on this brief journey through one of Barcelona's most cherished landmarks. Enjoy the rest of your day. Lots of hugs and love. See you again on my next video. This is Adorned TV signing off.